Welcome, and for now is a NUBIA Z17 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm just going to use the home screen itself, so right here for instance. And once you have it open, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this animation, hopefully without a volume. Let's try that again. There we go. Now it was without the volume, and from here you can go into your photo library, whatever that is. And there we go, photos. Just tap on allow, and you can see screenshots. Now if you add multiple photos, it will create folders. So one would be called screenshots, and then all your photos or all screenshots would be located in there. And you can see that those are the two that I captured. So that is how you would do it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.